The robotics industry is rapidly growing, and militaries across the globe are taking advantage of this. Today, we'll be going over 6 of the most advanced military robots out there. Let's get started. GuardBot. The first robot on today's list was designed to roam Mars, and although it's not currently being used on the Red Planet, it's still functional for military use today. Like the name suggests, the GuardBot is a surveillance and security robot that protects and patrols military grounds. The cutting-edge, spherical design allows it to roll around all different terrains with ease, whether it's paved roads, off-roads, snow, sleet, you name it. The GuardBot is able to handle it. The pendulum technology inside the GuardBot allows it to make quick 360-degree turns at the drop of a hat. The battery life of the GuardBot is absolutely outstanding. One charge allows this robot to stay functional for over 45 consecutive hours. The GuardBot is controlled by advanced radio communications, which means you can control it from anywhere. Some other amazing features included inside the spherical robot are a built-in GPS system, so it never gets lost, a high-definition camera to record its surroundings. There's also an intricate audio system installed inside as well. Speaking of cameras, the GuardBot can be used to live stream the area it's in 24/7, which makes it perfect for security purposes. If any repairs are needed to be done on the GuardBot, one needs not to worry. The sphere comes apart with ease, allowing for easy access to the internal wiring. GuardBot has been well received across the globe and featured by several companies like Fox News, CNN, Robotics Business Review, and Defense One. There is no doubt that the GuardBot is revolutionizing the surveillance robot game, and we can't wait to see how the technology that made it possible evolves over time. While the GuardBot is great, how does it compare to our next robot? Centaur. A bomb disposal is an incredibly dangerous job that put the lives of military members at risk every day. Luckily, with the inclusion of robots in the military, that means that we can lower the risk of injury by an insane amount. That is exactly why the Centaur was created. This robot is equipped with cameras and sensors that allow it to navigate its surroundings easily, without the need for a nearby human's assistance. It can even climb staircases. It'll be hard to miss the Centaur as it's no small robot. It weighs over 160 pounds and the arm can extend to over 6 feet. The Centaur can be controlled remotely from a safe distance, so the users never has to worry about coming into contact with any live bombs and risk detonation. The Centaur has proven itself so successful that the United States Armed Forces have actually ordered over $70 million worth of Centaurs. That brings the grand total of money spent on Centaur robots by the United States to $190 million. They can expect the next delivery batch of these robots in the third quarter of this year, so keep an eye out for that. Reports have actually stated that the Centaur is capable of much more than just bomb disposal, but the details surrounding its other features are currently being kept secret. We wonder, what other amazing feats this robot is able to accomplish? Right now, we do know that the Centaur is able to detect a numerous amount of threats, like weapons that are chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear in nature. Again, that's just a small amount of what the Centaur is able to do. Perhaps in the future, we'll get a full scope of how truly powerful the Centaur is. While you ponder about the Centaur's secret talents, let's jump into the next item on our list. Gladiator. The Gladiator is a jack of all trades when it comes to military-grade robots. This robot can perform a number of duties like scouting and surveillance, reconnaissance, direct fire, and breaching obstacles whilst out on a mission. The Gladiator has a built-in day and night software, which will allow it to adapt to the surrounding environment no matter what time of day it is and how much sunlight is available. The Gladiator lives up to its name because it's definitely battle-ready. This machine can withstand extremely tough blows and still operate at the fullest percent. A robot this advanced doesn't come cheap. In 2005, the United States military drafted a contract with Carnegie Mellon University for more than $26 million for manufacturing costs for the Gladiator. One of the best things about the Gladiator's design is that it's simple. It can be easily transported from battlefield to battlefield, which helps the Marine Corps, the branch of the United States military that uses it immensely. The reason for this is that the Gladiator has to be durable and able to withstand several different types of terrain. Its simple design allows it to maintain its functionality. If we could take away anything from the Gladiator, it's that it is, without a doubt, one of the strongest robots that's currently being used by the United States military. But is it stronger than the next robot on our list? Let's take a look. Sophia. Although the shipboarding autonomous firefighting robot, or Sophia, walks on 2 feet, this robot is anything but human. Its human-like figure allows researchers to perform damage control and inspections aboard naval ships without risking the lives of the human military members. It also has revolutionized how firefighting and robotics can be combined, not just in a military setting. Right now, the development team behind the Sophia are working to expand its capabilities, one of which is making the Sophia more nimble and able to navigate through tight spaces on naval ships without issue. This is incredibly important for rescue missions if someone is trapped in a small space, and the Sophia is their only hope for survival. Currently, NADIA, one of the teams behind the Sophia, are partnering with IMHC in Florida as they continue to develop the Sophia. There is also DRACO, who's teaming up with the University of Texas and Apptronic as they work tirelessly to perfect this amazing robot. The goal is to roll out more advanced versions of the Sophia in the next year, with the hopes to add hazard removal and ship maintenance to the long list of tasks that the Sophia is able to complete. Even before these advancements, it's safe to say that the Sophia is already an incredible technological feat and will definitely come in handy on the naval ships it's deployed to. Avatar 3. This rugged, tactical robot is definitely one of the strongest on today's list. The Avatar 3 was built to partner with law enforcement and emergency service members by surveying potential dangerous situations before they go in for themselves. This also helps these teams respond to these situations quicker than they have been able to in the past. One of the best things about the Avatar 3 is how customizable it is. There are several attachments available for this robot, allowing it to perfectly match your team's needs. It can also navigate various terrains with ease, which is an essential feature for the teams using it. You never know where and when a potentially dangerous scenario can occur, so it's essential that the Avatar 3 is able to respond without the worry of it getting damaged. The first responders operating the Avatar 3 can rest assured, knowing that they'll never be in danger with the robot by their side. It uses two-way audio, so communication is easy and precise, and the team is able to use it from remote locations. Some of the amazing configurations available for the Avatar 3 are the base platform, the PTZ camera, the hazmat detector, the EOD standard reach arm, and of course the tactical extended arm. So, as you can see, there's a lot of adaptability when it comes to the Avatar 3. This is a robot that will come in handy no matter what the emergency is, which is why it's regarded as one of the best military robots out there. But is it better than the final military robot that we found? Let's see as we dive into the last item in today's video. Jaguar. Border Patrol is a duty that takes up an incredible amount of manpower. But what if it didn't have to? That is where the Jaguar comes in. Created by the IDF and Israel Aerospace Industries, the Jaguar has been deployed as a substitute for human soldiers in southern Israel. The goal of the Jaguar is to monitor and survey the border between Israel and Gaza. So, how does this robot achieve this feat? The Jaguar is equipped with dozens of sensors, as well as an autonomous driving feature, so you don't have to man it 24/7. This robot is absolutely revolutionary, especially for the Israel forces, as Border Patrol is a huge responsibility for them. And any way it can be automated allows them to save time and manpower. The Jaguar is also armed. Equipped atop the Jaguar is a 7.62mm mag machine gun, which operates while the machine is still and while it's moving about. This really takes the security feature of the Jaguar up to the next level, and makes it just about as deadly as your average human soldier. The IDF has been incredibly proud of the Jaguar's performance, so don't be surprised if other countries around the world begin to implement autonomous border patrol as time goes on. Which one of these advanced military robots was your favorite? Let us know in the comments section down below. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let us know by giving us a like, leaving a comment, and of course subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on any more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching.